This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here by looking at the crude oil markets. Crude oil currently trading at $74.67 a barrel. We are now at new fresh lows for the year, which takes us all the way back to the 3rd of January. So massive declines in the crude oil markets. And the reason for this, guys, is China. China. We've had protests over the past weekend where, people have had enough. They've been in lockdown now for over 3 years. And, China's government, so Xi Jinping's policy of, zero COVID is just not working. It's never going to work. There's always going to be someone out there who has COVID. And this, of course, all comes down to the fact that the Chinese government hasn't opened the borders to Western vaccines. And, I heard a really crazy story that apparently in China at the moment, when they're streaming the World Cup, the fans are blocked out because Chinese people will be able to see that, Western countries and even countries in the Middle East, they're not wearing masks. And, Chinese people are probably left wondering, well, hang on a minute, how comes they're okay to be in a stadium? We must be getting told lies. So it just shows you how upset Chinese people are getting. And, of course, with there being 1.4 billion people living in China alone, when that country's closed down, that has a massive negative effect on the crude oil demand. And, of course, hence the prices go lower. So we're currently trading at new freshly yearly lows down at $74.60 a barrel. I was a seller up near here. I did think that we would bounce here, but we haven't. We've broken below it. Now this really does look scary for crude oil. What I would like to see is another day or two of market action. If we continue to trade below $76 a barrel, then that could open up the door to a lot lower prices. Now if we just draw a fib chart to show us where we could potentially go to. Now I'm going to go off these lows here and let's take them to the swing highs of this year. Let me just go a little bit higher. The next potential target here for crude oil is pretty much down at $61 a barrel. So this is really looking bearish here for crude oil. And, the bulls would have to step back in immediately if we were to protect this market.